I don't know what to do. Oh my God, Facebook, help me. I can't believe this shit. All these months I've been dealing with her, and I just thought she was official. She lied to me. The bathroom door was unlocked, and I walked in. I caught this bitch with her weave out. She looks like a fucking boy. I can't believe I've been fucking this bitch for months, and I done caught her with her weave out, and she looks like a little boy. Oh my fucking God. She had her lashes off. Her weave was out. Oh my God. Like, they should lock this bitch up for false identification. She's not who she said she was. Bald-headed bitch took advantage of me. I caught this bitch with her weave out. Oh my God. I can't believe this shit. This bald-head bitch looked like Michael Blackson in the face without her wig on. Oh my God, Facebook, it's gonna be a long night for me. I'm supposed to be at the barbershop. I don't even want to go no more. How am I supposed to tell my friends that I caught my bitch with her weave out? And this bitch look like a Ninja Turtle. I don't want to even be with this Ninja Turtle looking bitch no more.